Let's now talk about the eligibility. Who can do CS? As I've already told you, if you have passed your class 12th, either in the stream of arts, science or commerce, you are eligible for appearing CS course. And not 12th basically. If you are someone who is really willing to go for CS, you can start preparing for it for the first stage, which is called cseet, immediately after your class 10. You just have to prepare for cseet with your class 11th and 12th, and the moment you pass your class 12th, you can immediately appear for cseet exam, and that will be really quick. You must have heard of people becoming a CS or CA at an early age of 21. It's because they have not wasted their years or months after 12 and they have jumped early into the course. For this, you have to ensure one thing. You must be at least 17 years of age at the time of registration for CS, and that's all. You can start. So what you have understood up till now is that after class 12, you can appear and register for CS. CS is divided into 3 stages. That is cseet, the stage 1, CS executive, stage 2, and CS professional, stage 3. Listen carefully. If you are someone who has completed his graduation, you can take entry in this course starting with stage 2 directly. I believe you remember stage 2, CS executive. That means if you are a graduate or a postgraduate, you don't have to appear for the first stage, cseet. You can start your CS journey with direct entry route coming to the second stage directly, that is CS executive. If you are a class 12th pass out, you have to start with stage 1 cseet, and in this case, you will almost require 3 years to become CS. It may also happen that you are in your last semester or last year of graduation. Then according to me, don't go for cseet route. Instead, you can start preparing for the executive level, and the moment you get your graduation final year result, you are eligible to sit for CS executive examination. And in this route, you will almost require 2 years to become a CS. This is all in the eligibility criteria.